Are you looking for the best air purifier and humidifier combo 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best air purifier and humidifier combo 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Afloia 2-in-1 Hepa Air Purifier with Humidifier. 3-stage H13 filters for home allergies, pets, hair, smoker odors. Evaporative humidifier. Auto shut off. Quiet. 2-in-1 units can get expensive, not to mention bulky. We love this model from Afloia because it's neither of those things. For only $140, it includes an H13 Hepa filter, which is designed to remove 99.97% of particles that are 0.3 microns in diameter or larger, in addition to an activated carbon filter, which can help absorb, physically bind to its porous surface bad-smelling particles in the air that the Hepa filter doesn't catch. While we didn't test this unit in our lab, we were impressed with its modular design. The humidifier sits atop the purifier component when in use and can be removed and stored when not needed, standing under 2 feet tall. This unit is smaller than other picks on our list, and the manufacturer claims whisper quiet operation at only 24 dB. Some reviewers noted that the machine isn't as durable as they'd like, and remarked that the plastic felt cheap. But for the price we can't complain. Number 2. Orbi 2-in-1 Air Purifier and Humidifier. 3-stage air cleaning for dust, smoke, odors, pollen, pet hairs. Air purifier and humidifier combo for home. No water. In a tight bedroom, the last thing you want is big equipment that takes up valuable real estate. The cylindrical Orbi, at only 7.7 inches in diameter, packs a lot of multifunctional power into a tiny body. The unit features the true HEPA filtration we require in our air purifier picks, as well as an activated carbon filter to absorb foul-smelling particles. It's also got a similar modular design to our best value pick, so you can save space and store the humidifier component when you don't need it. We haven't formally looked at this model in our lab, but our engineers appreciate its compact design and the simple, intuitive controls it offers. We also like that it provides true HEPA filtration and doesn't feature an ionizer. The latter can release the irritant ozone into your home. The air quality indicator light and the fact that it comes with a remote control for convenient operation are nice features. Some customers noted that it was difficult to track down replacement filters for this model, so you might need to do a deep dive to keep your unit working. Number 3. Sharp Smart Air Purifier Plus Humidifier. Alexa and Google Assistant compatible. Plasmacluster ion technology for extra large rooms. True HEPA and activated. There are many air purifier humidifier combos on the market, and even fewer that are rated for large spaces. This model from Sharp is the exception, being effective in rooms up to 2,603 square feet. The unit includes both a true HEPA and activated carbon filter, as well as a 0.53-gallon reservoir for effective purification and humidification. There's also a bevy of smart features, including a weekly scheduler available in the companion app, additional app-only programming and Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa control. We love the robust, large space filtration, but we have to recommend it with a caveat. This purifier-humidifier combo is defaulted to have its ionization turned on, a feature we strongly recommend turning off before operating. While this unit has had third-party testing to ensure its ionizer doesn't release more ozone than permissible per the California Air Resource Board, 0.5 ppm. The science on ionizer efficacy and safety is still inconclusive. We haven't tested this unit in our lab, but upon reviewing the instruction manual, our engineers found the process to turn off ionization fairly straightforward, though we wish it wasn't the default setting. Number 4. Turonic PH950 Air Purifier and Humidifier Combo. Large room air cleaner for home up to 4,200 SQFT. 8-stage purification W/True HEPA 13 filter. UV light. Common allergens are no match for this air purifier from Turonic, which has a 5-stage filtration system among other notable features. Air goes through a per-filter, con filter, HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, and cold catalyst filter, which can filter some gases. It also has an optional humidifier, UV light, which purports to kill germs, and an air ionizer, which can remove some small particles. The HEPA filter does the hard work of trapping dust, pet hair, pollen, mold, and other common airborne allergens. Users can choose from 8 speed modes or an automatic mode, and the control panel also has an air quality display and filter change indicator. Lastly, this air purifier is a Wi-Fi enabled smart unit, so users can connect and control it via an app. Turonic doesn't specify a cater, but it does say the purifier can filter the air in a 1,250 square foot room once an hour, or 1 air change per hour. We recommend it for rooms around 260 square feet based on the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers. And recommendation that to be effective, the purifier's room size recommendation should be based on 4.8 air changes an hour. Number 5. Boneco Large Room 3-in-1 Hybrid Humidifier and Air Purifier with Automatic Shut-Off and Fragrance Essential Oil Container. White. The Boneco H400 Hybrid Humidifier and Air Purifier is made to humidify large rooms with its 3.17-gallon reservoir. Its humidifier parts are also very easy to clean. Some are even dishwasher safe to simplify frequent cleaning. A must to keep humidifiers hygienic. Users can use the onboard controls or take advantage of the smartphone app. Since this purifier and humidifier is smart-enabled as well, the main downsides of this unit are its lack of filtration power and lack of a Hepa filter. No Hepa filter does not mean a purifier won't work. It just doesn't guarantee the 99.9% filtration level that Hepa filters do. Boneco describes the filters as a Pur filter and a Pollen filter. It recommends this unit for rooms up to 650 square feet, though that's likely for humidifying. This unit has a rather low CATA rate of 59 cubic feet per minute, so it's better for small rooms when it comes to air purifying.